What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I've kind of been waiting, right? I wanted to do this a little bit earlier because I was up a significant amount or a lot more than where we stand today or we stand right now. But I might as well do it and be happy with where I am either way. I'm still up a lot all-time profit, but I felt as though it was necessary. It was necessary to show you guys my entire portfolio, everything that I'm holding here. Now, I think I may be missing a couple of smaller things, but this is majority of them, especially ones of the larger impact that we have in my portfolio. So if you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon. Those links are in the description. If you want some more updates to my portfolios and going over your portfolio as well, feel free to join my Patreon. We have various levels where we can interact with each other through chat as well as through audio. We can do a one-on-one call with one of the with the financial freedom level. But let's talk about my portfolio. Um, Now, if you didn't know, I've been investing in crypto, just to give you kind of like to preface this whole thing. I've been investing in crypto since, what was it, 2021. My first investment was Dogecoin. I went over that and how Dogecoin started it all. And that video did pretty good, but Dogecoin did start everything for me. And I went from investing $100 into crypto to now having, well over $100,000 and investing tens of thousands of dollars into cryptocurrency. And I think we're in a great place to see the altcoin season happen and take off. So I'm hopeful that as we go month to month, we'll see things that just increase and consistently increase here. But I do have an exit plan to where I am going to take profit. And when I take that profit, I most likely will pull it out of the crypto market. But hopefully, we still see that overall balance climbing as we start to get to some of those exit plans or hit some of those exit plans. Does that make sense? So if we look at my crypto portfolio, I decided to take someone's advice and going into coin market cap and kind of breaking everything down there rather than going into Excel and breaking all of that stuff down. Even though people probably want to know exactly where it's coming from, I can talk about where those things are coming from and kind of how much that's worth there. But if we look at my portfolio on coin market cap, I'm currently standing at $194,534.58. Give or take, a few thousand. It seems like it keeps moving. Earlier today, I was up to about $207,000, which I broke the $200,000 mark. However, today is not the most positive day at all for cryptocurrency. And you see things that are kind of playing catch up in a way. Anyways, sitting at $194,534.58, down $3,475.33, or 1.7% in the last 24 hours. If we look at all-time profit for what I've had there, I'm up $99,371.21, up 83%, 83.88% here. I do want to refresh this just to make sure we got all the right percentages. Best performer is VSG, which has been moving recently and actually started at like millions of dollars worth of market cap, and now it's sitting in the tens of millions. And that has become the best performer more recently. They were on trending. You saw them, with a lot of people that are talking about them, with a lot of conversations on Twitter. My worst performer for my portfolio is TRB, which I'm down about $900 on that play and down 16% overall. If you look at how this has been or how this moved over the last 24 hours, you see that I did hit the $220,000 mark before decreasing down here to 193 and then increasing again to about 205, 207, and then kind of hovering around that 207 mark. Now, again, we're seeing the overall market, down 3.6% today. So this might not be the best time to do it, but any time is the best time to do it. Whatever it ends up leaning on, where it is the first day of the month. I could have done it earlier and been at 207,000, and then it would have looked worse as we went through and uploaded it. But either way, things are looking great there. Now, if we look at some of these positions specifically, we're going to see Kronos is my top play, which I did talk about in my previous video. The fact that I did go all in on Kronos. I do have, $33,000, $33,816.97 in VSG right now, which is up a massive amount. If you look at XRP, XRP is sitting at about $21,654.07. I did invest a lot there, and I have 35,671 XRP total, but I'm only up about $512.93. Jasmine Coin, I'm up $16,000. I'm up 404%, and I'm at $20,180.21. Grok, I'm up about 100%. I invested 7,200, and I'm up 7,200. So Krill Coin also up $5,000, which is up 127%. Terra Luna Classic is probably my largest move when it comes to a percentage. It's up 18,199%, and it's up $7,862.34, at which the overall amount is $7,905.54. I invested $43 into this play and turned it into multiple thousands of dollars. So this by far will always be my biggest position by percentage. And I believe that we're going to see this go a lot further, which will give me that ability to see maybe 1,000,000% that I gain, which would be crazy. I would love to see that I gained 1,000,000 or 2,000,000 or something like that percent on my initial investment of $43. That would be crazy. Harvest Finance, that's slightly down. You can see how all of these things are down on the day. So definitely not the most positive time to be putting out a "this is my crypto portfolio" video, because things are kind of falling a little bit. But it's not something I have a concern with. I haven't sold any of my cryptocurrency there, so I see the level of success that it will have. Swift Coin is slightly up. That's up about 1.7%, 1.8%. And I'm also up $524. Lucky's Leprechaun, I'm up $580. I did buy Book of Meme over this month, at which I have $3,452 worth, or 207,000 Book of Meme. Does have the ability to get to a level of $1, which would be fantastic if it does, but it's up 862%, or $862 at the current moment. Avalanche is up $1,000. Sync is down about 500. Shiba Inu is up 1,800. Cardano is up 1,200. Litecoin's up to $275. Anchor up 1,200. Beam is up $300, and so on and so forth. So again, there's been some big movement. If we look at the largest profit, you're going to see Vitalik Smart Gas. You're going to see Jasmine Coin right up there. You're going to see Terra Luna Classic up there, Grok up there, Krill up there. Again, we haven't even seen the altcoin season market. We haven't even seen the second half of the bull market. I don't even think we've seen the second quarter of the bull market. So if we haven't seen that, we have so much to come, so much that's in store for altcoins, that I'm excited for where this portfolio will be. But total, if you look at my total portfolio, again, $195,037.70. I mean, it looks amazing. The overall profit has been amazing. I'm not saying that this is the top. I believe that it's going to be worth so much more. And this 200,000, I wouldn't be surprised if it's worth, 2 million, if not 5 or 6 or 7 million, when it's all said and done. And I would love if that's the case. But who really knows exactly how much it's going to be worth, depending on my profit taking strategy. But I wanted to put this out here, and let you guys know what I'm holding, be as transparent as I possibly can, and doing it in an easy way by showing you guys exactly what the history is, what the performance is, and where my overall balance is right now. And again, majority of that is coming from Coinbase. We have about 110,000 that's over in Coinbase. And I think we have like 10,000 or something that's over in crypto.com, and then a lot that's over in MetaMask and all of that. So let me know what you think about my portfolio. I want to know how much you hold right now and how much you expect it to be. Because again, my 200,000, I expect it to be somewhere around 2 million. Anywhere more than 2 million is just an overall bonus. But If it's not a level of 1 or 2 million, I'll be upset with the fact that there's so much potential within the crypto market and where this can go that it should be worth that much. So my exit plan is set, and I believe we're going to be somewhere between the 1 to 2 million mark, and I would love to see like 6 million or 7 or 10 million, just to set my life up for forever, being able to throw so much money into a dividend portfolio as well as somewhere else, and it's just going to be amazing if that's the case. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to start trading on Margex, feel free to use my link for Margex down below. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.